ND filter is working, I don't know, I'm not sure, but today we are at this, what do you call this, Goshi warehouse something. I came here earlier in the morning and we are trying to make a video, a short video for somebody, and I don't know if it's work or not, but I have the other camera inside, I'm trying to film. This is the shop up there, that's the shop, and we have actually three or four videos, short videos. And I just had a coffee. Now I'm kind of shaking because that puts my blood pressure up. These are like all showrooms, all the way there. There are like four streets or something. You got a Tesla as a taxi in the way. And today we are on this ZVE1 16 millimeter. This is okay, this is Sigma 16 to 28 f2.8. I have an ND filter on. If I bring it up all the way here, it's midway. I'm getting 3.2 focus, whatever you call that f point, and the internal stabilization on this. I'm holding it with this grip. There is a clamp, Ulanzi clamp. I just have that. I don't have my tripod, so there's Ulanzi clamp on it. I have a cage. The cage is from Small Rig, and I have this 25 frames per second. Everything auto. S-series tone, the color profile, and I'm sitting under a shade right now, right there. Look at that. It's like this 16 mil is wide, still very wide if my arm is out. Not all the way, but it's out. Little bent. The stabilization is not good anyways if you walk with this. Okay, this is your 20 with stabilization on. Standard 20 millimeter, go all the way back 16, go all the way in 28. This is 28. If I hold my arm all the way out, that's 28. Bring it back to 16, all the way out 16. This is 16. But I just keep it like easy on me and just hold it like this. It's not that hard. Anyways, walking with this is difficult. If somebody calls me to bring the camera and try to make clips, I'm like, okay, I'll do it. No problem. This is the shop actually, and they actually give you discounts. They have all the brands or whatever. There is Instagram and WH channel, Goshi Warehouse City. Alcoos area, Alcoos 3 or whatever you call that. But holding this and walking with this, if you're careful, then it's okay. If you're not careful, then it's like very shaky. That's why I like the 14 mil. It has the Sony lenses, which are like native lenses. They go very good with the Sony cameras. ZV-E1 is too good for that. Then you have A7 IV, then you have A7S3. All those are very good. But I see one guy who's making all the videos with this lens and using A7S3. The guy is Ali Gallam. चलो जी मुर्शद, we are done. इधर चेक करो, थक गए ने. आज बैग का काम आया. This is a good bag. Now I know why, because I have two cameras. No, I have four cameras. Okay, I have DJI Pocket 3, DJI Action 5, ZV-E1, and I have A7 IV. So all four fits in the bag. Then the tripod has a holder, like you can hook it, so it's not gonna go down. You can wear it like this. This goes here. Now we're gonna go eat the favorite food of them, hot pot. Is the internal microphone, and I don't know how it's gonna sound. There is wind, and I didn't change the levels. Hopefully it will be good. Okay, now I have the ECM V10 on it. Now that's the ready-made. Okay, there you go. There is still ND filter on it. That's why it's like very, what do you call that? Looks very sharp, very hungry. We went in there morning, I think 11. Then we went out now. Yeah, what's the time now? It's 6:15. Now this Ulanzi clip, this small clamp is so good. You can clamp anywhere you like. Now this ZV-1 is clamped on the side of this table, and it's like this thick of a table, and then still it can hold this. Now it goes down to 800. ISO is 800 now. f2.8. There is karaoke inside. You can get that. And there is this, all the dishes. Over there, drinks, spices, everything to eat is here. It's difficult to carry this, everything together. Also, if you don't have a tripod. Wait, where you go, Katrina? Oh, pet store. Let's go pet store. There was a cat on the side over there. I was just trying to feed her, and then she don't like me no more. She ate and then she left. She didn't say nothing. Yeah, we don't have a dog yet. Maybe next year. Next year. The new girl came with this Royal Canin bag, so we said no. We said no, we don't do bougie stuff here. Okay, time to go back home. Everybody is tired. A book? Nobody will show up. Let's book Kareem 10% off. 1 minute to 150. Wait, this is 235 for the rooming of a full-size cat. She walks in and starts asking questions. Now I have to buy something because she checked so many things, asked so many questions.
What? So what?
Now
They don't have it eh. I will buy naman eh.
customers like you I hate when they walk into my
Bumili na
workplace.
lang daw siya kasi ang dami ko na.
Keeps on asking like, oh, what's this? What is this? Ito tulo tulo no no no.
Bubo ka.
Cross. See, it's very quick. It's very easy here in Dubai to get a cab in a minute. It's almost a minute. There's my water. I left. But the cat said no to it. She's just like me. She don't drink. She just eats a lot of food. Okay, we are back home. Dexter Resurrection is playing new episode. I don't know why people watch that about serial killers. I don't know why they are interested in serial killers and stuff. I don't get that in my life anymore. There was just Javed Saab back in 90s in Pakistan, a serial killer. If you guys know, you know the OGs know that the Javed used to kill these young children. He finished them all the time. We are done. We did some videos. I transferred already. I've sent them a link already. They will edit by themselves. So this was my first experience. Very easy, very smooth. You don't have to do much. The videography is so easy. If you have a good autofocus camera with some good colors, I did my videos in 50 fps, 10-bit 422, S cinetone, portrait modes, autofocus, and ZVE one with the product showcase. That's it. Nothing much. No microphones needed, so because they're not gonna do any dialogues in the videos. Also, they don't want anything super extra, just simple people walking in and out, people showing products. That's it, that's the max. And we are still on this Sigma 16 to 28. I'm at 16 right now. Behind me there are two computers. Now I'm running into a new issue. My speakers, these ones, so these speakers, these are the speakers I'm using after the this one after is A9s. Sony A9s. I took this A9 M2. Now these ones has wires, but still you don't have to go into main hub with the analog wires. Because of this power wires, Snow, she likes chewing wires. She started a week ago. She was chewing the back speaker wires. I just saw her. Then I taped one. Now I go back here. I'm trying. I have a hub here. This is the anchor one. Let me show you. So this anchor is like a hub. You can attach two extra monitors, displays, USB C's, USB A's, power. Everything is here. Yeah, you can transfer data. You can charge your laptop like this. It's charging also. It's supposed to show a display on this because the display is connected here, but it's not showing right now. So when I go to check what's the problem, if you can see, or I don't know if you cannot, but there is bite marks. Now she is biting these wires, all of these wires, and she was biting the other wires over there. She was biting this wire. This is the HDMI connected to this here. If I move something, let's say, let me move it here. So it's easier to work like this. This is Tidal, by the way. You can work with two extra screens. I can put them together, but I like it this way. One goes here with the everything extra. One goes here with the DaVinci Resolve. This one is simple. You can put one thing here, one thing over there. The camera can go here, whatever the thing is. But she has this hobby now, wiring, to chew wiring. This one's gone. It's charging right now. I think it is. Yeah, it is charging right now. But again, no display. This is supposed to turn on by itself. I don't have to show the display. I can do this, but then again, what's the point of doing this? It's McDonald time. 11:15 at night. Who is eating it?
You.
Only me. I'm the one who is eating. Anyways, so this is the story right now. Now I have to buy this one wire. If you are into this thing, this kind of expensive stuff, I tell you what, this wire is 150 dirhams. This Thunderbolt 5, 1 meter long, and it's from Anchor. Now 150 goes on the side, then HDMI is about to break. That's another 100 dirham. If I have to buy the power cables, that will be 150 something again if it goes, if it damages or stuff. You cannot tell anything to the animals. The problem is they don't understand what you're saying. You just have to bury your anger within yourself, deep down in your heart, somewhere at the corner. It breaks my heart. Just like somebody getting married in Pakistan, you have to pay too much of dowry and your heart breaks. Like, why do you have to do this just to make her happy in the house? I have to pay all this just to keep her happy because she can chew on more wives. So this is it for now. First time doing that stuff is good, as long as the people don't have more, requirements every few minutes, like do this, do that, I want this, I want that. These guys were nice. They're like, okay, you do what you like, you whatever you can do, whatever you think is good. So we did that. We are good. Hopefully they will like the videos. I check the videos here. These are very good. For my perspective, the way I look at the social media, Instagram stuff, they are way worse than these things. They need a good editor. If they have a good editor, even minor mistakes, the good editors can fix it easily. Oh, one more thing I noticed today, ZVE1, the battery goes down very quick. If you are 4K 50, super fast. It gets hot, but not like, I never had any issue like heating issue. And the A74 I was using with 85 1.8, the old 85, the battery goes down very quick, but it was outdoors as well. That one is outdoor because I've been shooting 10-second clips, 15-second clips maximum, but the batteries are going down. I was at 30%, half day I was 30% on A74, and maybe for 2 hours or something I was around 16% on ZVE1. ZVE1 is chewing very fast. If they allow me, I'll show some clips. I don't think they will allow me, so I'm not able to show you whatever is happening. Also, I like this lens now. I was thinking of selling this one or giving it away or whatever. 16 to 24 is still good for very close shots for product showcasing. And how's the angle today? This one right now, you are between my legs, you and me together in this. Between the legs, I'm trying to choke you.